Today's a really special day. I just got shipment of the set of wheels that I've been waiting for the S2000. So yes, we're finally gonna throw some mods on it. I've owned the car for 4 months and I've been bit by the bug to mod it. As you can see, I got that front lip for the S2000, the AP1 replica front lip from Icon Motorsports, but you know, I wanted to get some wheels for it because I actually need tires on the stock wheels, and instead of spending money on tires for stock wheels, I figured, you know, let's go do some research and see what I can get for aftermarket. So keeping with the Mugen theme, because I got the Mugen hardtop, I want to go ahead and get the wheels to match. And ever since owning a Honda when I was a teenager in high school, I've always wanted to set up MF10's. At that point it was MF8's, the 4-lug for the Integra that I wanted, but I could never afford that. It was just too expensive. Now that I'm a little older, I could afford a little more expensive wheels and parts. As you can see, I still have this exhaust system to install on the Lexus ISF, but that's going to be for another video. But today we're going to do an unboxing. I bought this from someone in Washington. He bought it brand new from King Motorsports, so I am the second owner. These are the S2000 specs, so I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera in and show you guys what it says on the label. Alright guys, so right here you can see it says the Mugen shipping number, Mugen King. I assume that's the King Motorsports. As you can see right here, it says Mugen MF10 7.5 JJ by 17's. So this is S2K specs. The smaller box right here is for the front wheels and the bigger box is for the rear wheels. Right here it says MF10 8.5 by 17. So for offset, it will say right here on the part number, the last two numbers. This one is 52 offset, and over here will be 59 offset for the rear. We're going to go ahead and crack this thing open. These are the 7.5s. You know, when I was buying these, I was so obsessed looking at YouTube to find more videos of the wheels. And you can only see like a few of them, you know what I mean? Like maybe 2 videos that are up close and personal, but oh my god, these are nice as hell. It's really hard to describe how they look. Very similar to Volk Bronze, but this has a way more textured finish, and the lip is anodized. So it's just like the T37s. There is a nick right here, unfortunately, where the tire stem is. I want to say either from installation, but previous owner said it's from Iraq. He had it on the car for 3 months, so they're pretty much brand new. Oh man, get a closer look. So here they are, 17 by 7.5 plus 52. S2K spec MF10's. As you can see, you have the satin black center cap right there. I'm glad that it's not chipping away, because apparently it's a very there was like a batch that was really bad that these were chipping once they put them on or something like that. Here's the Mugen wheel or Mugen badge on the front. Turn it around, look at the label. As you can see the label, it's really clean still, 17 by 7.5. This part is peeling, which kind of sucks. I might just heat this up a little bit and try to press it back down, but for the most part it's pretty clean. Because I've worked in a shop, I already know that when they mounted this, they did use an older tire mount machine, the one that clips onto the inside of the barrel, because I'll flip it around. Like right here there's a little nick, and same with right here, little nick right there. So it kind of sucks in a lot of ways. These are expensive, they're not cheap wheels, that's for sure, but I mean, what are you gonna do? They are used, they're not brand new, so get what you pay for. Nowadays with the market, you know, people are selling these wheels for a lot of money. It doesn't come with a bubble wrap. Actually, the seller gave me the bubble wrap, but when you get it from King Motorsports or Mugen, it comes like this. So the bare wheel and then a piece of cardboard and then another wheel. So it kind of sucks. They don't take the time to really take care of these wheels and package it properly. If you buy a set of Volk racing wheels, at least it comes with a dust cover, which is pretty, it's something, you know, it's preventative measures like that, so it's nice. There we go. Let's put that like this. This one also, it's okay. These look a lot better. Oh, they're so pretty. Just get these out of here. Getting goosebumps, guys. This is something a lot of people dream about. Owning a set of Mugen wheels. I guess I was the same way when I first bought my first set of TE37s. Actually, my first set of wheels were work wheels. What were they? Work Emotions? CR Kais? Or CRs rather. Kais came out after. Wow. So, upon inspection, there's damage right here. Like really bad. Okay, I'm gonna have to text the dude and let him know. Okay, so these are the Mugen wheels with a damaged rear. I want to say if I get the tire size that I want for it, you won't see it. It'll kind of sit right there, but it's just so frustrating, man. God damn. So I want to talk a little bit about the box. I'm assuming it happened right here. Okay. So people, you know, when you ship stuff, they're gonna throw crap around. So I'm assuming when you put the two wheels on it, it either got, no, it kind of got damaged on the bottom. It had to have been damaged right here because there's a big hole right on the top of that, or from here. So that fucking sucks. Sorry for my language, but I'm gonna talk to the seller about it, but you know what? It's not his fault, it's shipping's fault. I should have checked everything, but it's just like, what's FedEx gonna do? You know what I mean? Like, they're either gonna take it, repay me, but then I won't get my wheels. And it's not even that bad, to be honest. It's just something I wish wasn't, or was preventable. Alright guys, so here they are, out of the box, inspected. Unfortunately, I have to file a claim to FedEx because they damaged the two rear wheels, which when I first bought it, they were the most mint out of the two pairs. So now all the wheels are damaged, and it kind of sucks because they lose value, you know what I mean? So a little bit like anal about it. I wasn't gonna put it on the car. I was just gonna keep it stored away, you know, just to hoard pretty much. But at the point, based on the damage, I just don't care anymore. I think I'm just gonna rock it, you know what I mean? So they look fantastic for the most part. I think it's money well spent, only if it came in perfect condition. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this slight review for the most part. Look fantastic. 17 by 7.5, 17 by 8.5 with these nice black center caps. I think I'm gonna be looking for the blue center caps just to make it look a little poppy, but as of right now, I don't think it's gonna look too nice on the white. I think the black and the bronze looks a lot better than the blue and the bronze. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and maybe I'll have this on the car. So peace.